I know it has been way too long since my last video, but between finals and moving and everything that life has had to throw at us lately, it's just been a little bit too hectic to bring my kitchen into the camera. Today I wanted to make something special for Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, and Tteokbokki was the first thing that I thought of. I adapted this recipe from Korean bapsang, so you can find the original recipe as well as my modified version linked down in the description box. Okay, I've talked enough. Let's cook. Start off by soaking your rice cakes while you cut your vegetables and get the sauce prepared. Start by cutting 1/4 cup of cabbage, 1/4 cup of scallions, you know, whatever your heart desires really, and 1 sheet of frozen fish cake. You're gonna cut these into 2-inch pieces, and honestly, this was really difficult to cut, so, you know, shape is arbitrary. You're gonna start the sauce with 3 cups of water into a large pan. To that, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of gochujang. Okay, what y'all didn't see was 5 minutes of me struggling to get the gochujang open, so you're welcome. Which is a spicy fermented Korean chili paste, and wow. Then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I also forgot to show myself mincing 1 clove of garlic, but you're gonna wanna do that too. Turn the stove on to medium-high heat and bring the sauce to a boil. Once the sauce has been brought to a boil, you're going to unceremoniously dump your rice cakes into them, making sure to splash the sauce all over the counter. It's a crucial step in this recipe, trust me. Then you're gonna bring the mixture back to a boil and stir this pretty frequently, because if you don't, and I'm not saying this from experience or anything, but the rice cakes might stick to the bottom, so be careful and keep an eye on it. Boil those for about 8 to 10 minutes on their own, and then add your vegetables and fish cakes and boil for another 4 to 5 minutes. As I mentioned earlier in this video, it is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. And in the first quarter of 2021, we've already seen at least 95 hate crimes against Asian people, compared to 36 in the first quarter of 2020. In an effort to contribute as much as possible to the community, since my channel is too small by YouTube's standards to monetize my videos, I'm going to be matching your donations to the AAPI Community Fund up to $100 between now and June 15th. More information will be in the description box below. Thank you so much again to Korean bapsang for this amazing recipe. I can't wait to dig in. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my kitchen next time. Bye!